Over the hat.
Wali Hamarusulawti, Dalayam how give when we talk about plural. Okay? We're seeing about where is a person, right? Singular. So this is the plural form. Hagaña Hagaña. Kate lilabe irahu. What is irahu?
Children. Child.
Child. And irahinya?
Children.
Children. So if it's a child, how do you say, where is the child?
Hagia. Ira.
Hage.
Hageira.
Hage irahu. Right? If it's a boy, right? Hage irahu. Then if it's plural, hagaña. Irahinya. Hage, Hagaña. The Hage, Hagón, Hagaña. Okay. This is masculine, this is feminine, and this is plural. Okay. Okay. Irahu. Wow. Okay.
Did I mess up again?
No, not this time. We need some napkins.
Inside the box.
Where are the youngsters? Right? Nibureigil is a youth, a teenager. Nibureigi. Nibureigiña is plural for teenagers. Then the answer is Anyahe Aliha. Kate aliha be.
Read.
To read, right?
To read.
Anyahe aliha. Meaning anyahe,
They are reading.
they are reading.
Okay.
So Hagaña irahi Ronnie.
Anahen. Anyahen aliha.
Okay. Hagaña nibureigiña Ben. Okay. Hagaña irahiña Michelle. Okay. Hagaña nibureigiña Bell. I mean Del. Sorry. Eda? Okay. Hagaña irahiña Nikki. Okay. Then Hagaña wuguriña. Kate ya wuguri. Wuguri?
Man.
Man.
Wuguri, what is wuguri?
The man.
Okay. Man. And wuguriña?
Man.
Man.
Men. In plural.
Uh-huh. So Hagaña wuguriña, what does it mean?
Where are the men?
Where are the men? Anyahe nadagime. Nadagime is
Working.
Working.
Yeah.
So what does anyahe nadagime mean?
Men are working.
They are working. Okay. Good. So let me turn. This word, wuguri,
Sure wants to get a name.
I'm real afraid Cheryl said it.
I wasn't sure if I answered him the woman way or the man way, so I didn't want to say it wrong.
Yes, say.
oh, you don't have to worry about that. Whatever comes out, just let it go. And we'll correct it later. You know? Yeah. Okay, wuguri is man. Right? And then wuguriña,
Man.
Gurinya is man. Okay?
It's teenager.
Niburuge.
The other one,
Niburegiña.
teenagers, Niburegiña. Okay,
No, but
we'll do that
what's the
too.
singular?
For one teenager.
Nibure.
Nibureti.
Niburegi.
T. Oh.
Nibureti is teenager. Okay? And then Niburetinho or Niburetinya, same. Niburetinya is teenagers, plural. So you have to memorize the noun Nibureti. This is adjective, right? Nibureti.
You have Genya up here. Genya.
Nibure, oh, Niburegiña. They are still teenagers. Yeah,
Let's use
you
both.
can use Niburegiña, Niburetiña, Niburetinho. Yeah. It has different endings. So whatever you see at the ending, so long as it has that nya, is plural. That particular word. Now, be careful with some people when they write this. What does that mean?
Yeah.
Isn't that still plural, but it's spelled correctly?
It's an intention to write this
Okay.
when
Yeah.
your background is English. When you speak English,
Oh.
Yeah.
you have tendency of pronouncing the ñ with replacing it with the y.
Oh.
I use Y quite
So we
a lot.
have to adapt ourselves to strictly thinking Garifuna, forget about Spanish or English, and just learn what does Garifuna, entails. What's supposed to go there in the Garifuna ways. I see a lot of people writing with Y when they intend to put an ñ, because the sound is ñ,
Yeah.
and this is what symbolizes that sound, not this one. Remember an example?
Except that's a special character. That's
Is this one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but there is an example that you should not. I'll give it to you again. Remember, what is this here?
Oh yeah. Inyo. Inyo, yeah.
Okay, Inu is up, right? But some people write up with this, with a Y.
I think that should be INYU.
Yeah. And EU is the tiny little hair that the body has,
Yeah.
in specific parts.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be confused, it shouldn't be
Is
used.
it nice, yeah?
I've heard
And just,
others say that.
and just the Y, the spelling is what makes a difference. And it gives a different sound too. This is E. Read this please. E. Can you read
Does it
this?
mean the same?
EU is clear, right? What about this one?
Inyo.
Different, right? Inyo. Yeah. Inyo. Inyo. It's like if you were doing this here. This is the closest pronunciation for new.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like when you say new in English, but new, right? This is new. Inyo. This is EU. Like you. Yeah. EU. Okay. I just wanted to make that observation. Okay. And then abogwa, katega abogwa bay.
To cook.
Right.
Why was Sharon to cook?
Abogwa is to cook.
Yeah.
It means another word too. It means by yourself, by oneself.
Like loneliness by myself?
Lonely.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Some people say Nebuga Nabogwa.
I hear that.
It doesn't mean I'm going to cook. Okay? If you, but it's very tricky. Let me put it here.
There ain't nobody out here looked at this? We got it. I'm gonna eat that in the sushi.
Is that like what's up to me?
Neighbor Nabugua.
Huh?
Nabugua.
Okay. He's saying Nabugwa, right?
Yes.
Nabugwa is by myself. How do you say lonely?
You really know.
Okay.
Now Abu. Lonely.
There an ending?
How do I have it there?
Abo.
Nabogwa.
Oh,
Yeah, Nabogwa. It's the different, the changes here.
the
Oh.
overview.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. It changes to make it a totally different word.
Nabugwa. Kalila be Nabugwa. Nabu.
Nabugwa is by myself.
Lonely.
No.
No.
No, by myself.
By
Myself. Wow.
You going somewhere, you're going by yourself.
Abogwa is lonely.
Okay, okay.
Now, when they use it in the phrase, Nebuga, Nabogwa, Nebuga Nabogwa, what is this mean?
I'm going. I'm going.
I'm
mean,
going
right?
by myself.
Yeah. It doesn't mean I'm going by myself.
No?
To say I'm going by myself, Nebuga Nabugwa.
Nabu.
Yeah.
I'm going alone, I'm going by myself, right?
Nabuga.
Okay. Now this one here, Nebuga Nabogwa, I'm going to exercise my my private duties, my private stuff. I'm going to the bathroom.
Which one? Which one? Nebuga. No.
Kumu.
Okay.
Can't say what neighbor got kumuru.
Kumu, huh?
No. Nebuga Nabogwa.
Oh,
You
yeah.
never heard this one before?
I did, you know what? But you know what? But they told me that it is. I was corrected because I used to say Nebuga Nabu. The lady told me that it's female. It's for the female to use.
This word?
Or it's too rude to say instead of, just get up and go. Or something like that.
No. This is but if you have to say it, this is the way you say it.
I said it and.
Choose not to say it, then you don't say it. But when you say it, then you got Nabogwa.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So whenever you hear this word, or by himself, or in his private necessities, Labogwa
Oh, him referring to
or
him.
Tabogwa.
Her.
Yeah. Okay. Now going back to by myself is Nabugwa for me, by myself.
Mm-hmm.
What about by yourself?
Babugwa.
By himself?
Labogwa.
By herself?
Tabogwa.
By herself?
Tabogwa.
No, this one here.
Tabugwa.
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 By ourselves?
Wabugwa.
Wa.
Wabugwa. By yourselves?
Habugwa.
Habugwa.
By themselves? Same.
Habugwa.
Same thing. Habugwa. Okay. I'm working on some set of conjugations. I'll release them, maybe a 2-word or 3-word example how you conjugate an entire, a word entirely. Okay. So right there we have Hagaña Uriña. Kalilabe.
Where is the man?
Women.
Oh. Wurinya. The women.
Where are the
You see?
women?
You see what woody by itself means? Woody. Woody.
Woman.
And then Uriña.
Women.
Okay. Wuguri,
Man.
Wugurinya,
Man.
correct.
Man.
And then Niburei,
Nibureginya.
Nibureginya,
Teenagers.
Irahu,
Child.
Irahunya.
Children.
Okay, this is not nya. It's not Irahunya.
Irahanyu.
Okay, it's Irahunya. That's where you need to memorize a little bit. Yeah. But most of them is nya.
Ooh, that makes sense.
Is cooking. Anyahe abogwa. Hagaña wuzurinya. Farudo. Hagaña wurinya.
Hagaña Murin.
Hagaña urinya.
Anyahe
Anyahe abogwa.
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 Hagaña irahinya. Cheryl.
Oh, Aniha Abba.
Hagaña gerigia. Ali.
Anyahe Abugwa.
Abogwa. Yeah, that
Abogwa, abogwa.
girl.
OU or
That looks like Abogwa. Abogwa.
Yeah, because it's
It
different.
should be
Yeah.
Abougua. Abogwa.
It doesn't matter. Depends. It's regional. You know, some place will say abogwa, some place will say abogwa. Yeah.
Okay.
We can do much about that. Both of them are correct.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
The
I mean,
spelling?
come in, Lagambo no, you know. Italian no, so.
But Italy both of them. Yeah. With both of them. It's correct. Ganyamutu, Del. Let's use this side. Lidanda. Nikki. Haganya only.
Hagaña.
Okay, yeah, what did I just ask?
Where's the dog?
Where are the dogs?
And I said the dog is.
If I start a question saying Hagay, what follows? Plural or
Singular.
Singular. Hagon,
Singular.
Female.
feminine.
Feminine.
Haganya,
Plural.
that's it. Okay,
Couldn't remember to say all.
okay. La Fancy had the more. How do you ask where is the computer? Computer La Fancy had the more.
Again.
Wow.
Hagay?
Hagay.
La France,
Hagon.
Oh, Hagaña.
Oh, Demure. E. Demure E. No.
The more.
Demure.
It doesn't.
Category.
It's not rule to follow whether
Female or
it's
male.
Oh.
masculine or
I just-
feminine.
thought it sounded-
Yeah.
Is that how English?
Hagon la fancy de more. You will say Hagay la fancy de more. Because in Belize, you know, they mixed up things.
We're online. We're online.
I'm sorry about that. It's just a joke, okay? No, but really, you know,
But it's a good mixture.
yeah, in a good sense, you know. Yeah. Sometimes we can say car, you know.
Yeah.
You know, in Honduras, people say caruto.
Carrot.
In Belize, they say carule. And then La France had the word for computer. In Honduras, La France had the word to. In Belize, La France had the word le. Okay? Now, when we agree on some things, like veru is a glass, right?
Yeah.
We say veru le. Now,
Again,
then how do you say?
Again, where?
Again, veru what?
Le.
Le, right? Okay, so we agree on that.
So, in other words, it's bisexual.
Yeah, so it's good to know that there are differences, but they both are okay. Both are okay because the way a region speaks is acceptable, you know,
Yes,
by
yes,
grammar.
yes.
Grammatically, it's acceptable.
But people will still, I say like
They're
from
still- they're still-
Lapuga will still understand
They'll still understand.
those from Belize and from
Yeah.
Honduras.
Yeah, but they have tendency to be more to speak more like Honduras in
That was
those
yours.
cases.
Okay.
I think it's only Belize what have changed, you know, some things, that things have changed in Belize.
As long as people are still able to communicate and understand one another.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Oh yeah, that's the importance of a language, so people can understand.
I mean, I'm sure there might be like, maybe like out of a sentence, maybe like one word that one person might not be familiar with because they may not use it from their geographic location.
Oh yeah, it happens a lot. It happens a lot. Even within Honduras, you know, Honduras is so big, right? And there are so many Garifuna communities there that there are some words used in Mañali, per se, that are no longer used in Triunfo. You know? Therefore, Triunfeños will not be familiar with that word. Yeah. But we can pick it up so quickly.
Kind of like
You know?
Mexico.
Yeah.
with the different
And there are
states.
some words that are no longer used in Siriboya, and people are still using it in Triunfo. And also changes of names, like the crab. There is a name for crab, we call it Wayumu. Yeah. In Colón, people don't know what Wayumu is. You know, they only know about Huru. Yeah. But everybody knows it by Huru too, you know?
That's correct as well.
Yeah, but we have several names. We have Olboch, we have Hololo, we have Wayumu, and we have Huru.
Is that to describe the different types?
They have
of
different
crab?
kind,
The
different
different
types.
What about
types.
Merengue?
When you say
Yeah.
Hololo, when you say Holboch, you're talking about Wayumu, or you're talking about Huru,
A land crab or something?
land crab.
Okay.
Well,
This Hololo is the big one, the male. Holboch is huge. Yeah, you know, same thing.
I have a whole bowl.
Holboch, the same thing.
That's the
I
big
think it's
bowl?
coming from English,
That's
Holboch.
the big bowl and that.
Oh.
I don't know what it means. I don't know, but Holboch, right?
Yeah.
The big one.
Yeah,
The one
the
that's
big
big
one.
one.
You got a cloud like this.
Yeah.
Right.
Those kids in Belize like that.
Only one
Okay.
big one.
Yeah. Well, he has two, but he has a big one. Whole bowl.
So the difference in the way we speak, you know, is because the region, and that's what makes it the dialect of the Garifuna language.
Right, right.
It's like the
languages
Philippines. The
have
Philippines has
Yeah.
hundreds of dialects,
Yeah.
but they have one main.
Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog is the main one.
But even
Everybody
in
speaks
English,
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you say supper on the East Coast, you say dinner here.
Yeah.
You say Danish in New York, you
Yeah.
say
It's
Yeah.
time for tea.
So we have to know that can also exist, those varieties exist in Garifuna.
Yes.
And we have to get familiar with them, and we cannot go out and tell people, you know what, the way you speak is wrong.
Yeah. Totally.
Because that would be rude to go and tell people that, and it shows that we don't really know much about our own language and the changes that it suffered through regions. So we have to know that every pronunciation according to the region are correct. It may not be the original word, you know, but that's a different thing.
Cool.
Like in Guatemala, they say Beiti. You know, to us, Beiti is he whipped her, or he whipped, no, a whip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Beiti. But for them, it's good.
Witty.
Beiti
yeah.
means good in
Oh,
Guatemala.
wait.
But the word good is Buiti.
Wheaty.
But don't go out and tell them.
Because they were baiting you.
But that's the only
That's
place
true.
that
We hear it all
speaks
the
like
time.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beatty.
Beatty, but it sounds like it would be spelled B-E-I.
Yeah.
T-I.
That's the way I would.
Exactly.
But
Yeah.
if I say wheaty, will they understand that? When I
Then you
say
add the
wheaty?
U
Yeah.
instead of the E.
B-U-I-T-I?
Yeah.
Can you-
B-U-I-T-I.
They understand.
They'll understand.
They
wheat.
understand. Yeah. They know because they are in contact with Honduras and
Okay.
Belize.
Wheaty.
But that's the way they speak there.
What they say.
Yes, right.
Can you announce that the homework has been sent online? Those who want to register, they could go online and register to
Definitely.
get the homework. But
For
we
our
send it.
people synchronizing online, the homework has just been released and it's up on the internet. What site?
They could go to GarifunaHeritageFoundation.org
It's on GarifunaHeritageFoundation.org
and sign up.
and sign up.
Sign up for the email.
Okay, you can sign up to get the email.
Yeah.
Okay.
But those already registered already got it.
Okay. The people who are already registered, they should be getting their email already with the homework, which is what we visualizing right now on the projector. Okay, Hagón, sumo to Hagón, Budig. Budig is a store. Now, what's the gender of the Budig in Garifuna? Raise your hand.
Feminine, oh, sorry,
Go ahead.
Masculine, right?
Feminine. What you were gonna say, Sheila?
feminine.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Hagón.
Anuhong Uburugu. Remember what Uburugu was?
Station.
The city.
City.
Uburugu is city. And then Anuhong is there, right?
Yeah.
Now what's the gender?
Female.
Okay, why?
Because of Anuhom.
You see? OU, right? Then it says OU. What if we change Aniheng? This would change Aniheng. Aniheng Uburugu. What are we talking about?